Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once it opens up on the screen, from the bottom menu, tap on the reels icon to open the page. Now I scroll down on this page and watch several other reels. If you went back on the homepage and did other things like others post or comment on them, and you have not closed the Instagram app yet, or it has not been a really long time, then you can always just go back up on your Reels history list by swiping down the page. There is another way to find the Reels watch history. Let's open the Reels page again and scroll down to watch several Reels. And let's say I like this reel. So I tap on the heart icon on the left side. Now let's open the profile page and from the top right side, tap on the three horizontal lines. From this menu, tap on your activity. In the interactions, find the likes option and tap to open it. And these are the reels that I liked on Instagram. Please keep in mind that you cannot access the reels history after days or months. You can only watch it if you did not close Instagram or if you liked or comment on them. And that's it. This is how you can check the recently watched reels on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.